Welcome back, everybody. My name's Daniel and welcome to my shop. In this project I'm going to be making a baby changing station for my sister and her husband for their baby they're expecting in June. So I spent a portion of my morning working on SketchUp, which I'm not super good at yet, maybe someday, on building a pretty simple design, and then I wrote my parts list down like an old man on this here sheet of paper. I'll be making the project out of walnut and maple, which I have along that back wall, which you'll see in a second. This will be the piece for the legs. Rough cut walnut. They should be 1.5 by 1.5. Well, I got most everything that I need width-wise cut, but I did run out of some wider stuff, so I need to do some mini glue-ups to get those little panels that I need. These little PVC pipes are fantastic for glue-ups. Type on quick and thick. I love this stuff. It dries clear. And it has a pretty short clamping time. I want to say 20 minutes or so, but I could be wrong. If you get it, read the bottle. Important to make sure it stays flat. While I wait for those little panels to dry, I can begin the process of cutting the other pieces to their final length. Fence extension with a stopper. You do what you got to do, right? Everything has been cut to size, and I marked out where all the joinery will be. I'll be using my Festool domino. Love that thing. It makes everything so much faster. What's up, gang? Second day of the build. I have everything dry fit. It's looking good right now. I put blue painter's tape on here and marked all the pieces out so I don't get them mixed up. But last night I had a bit of a design epiphany, I think. I'm going to put some accents on the bottom of all the rails with maple, I think. Would have been way easier to do while I was cutting those down, but I can make it work. Alright, for the maple accents, I found this piece of maple in my stash over here. It's 5/4, which is perfect. I wanted the maple accents just to be slightly thicker than the rails themselves to create a natural shadow line. Got my fence set up to 1/2 inch, so let's rip it up. Alright, it is time to chamfer the legs. I have them marked where I don't want there to be a chamfer where the rails will intersect. I hand chamfered all the rails, and that wasn't very fun. So I'm going to use my router for the legs. So here's my rail, and I want to attach this maple piece on the bottom side like so, via glue and brad nails. But in order to get it the perfect dimension, I'm going to clamp this right here, like so that I have a nice edge to clamp on. You'll see. Alright, I have everything sanded and prepped. It is finally time to start gluing everything up. Now, you can see it come alive, and I'm pretty pumped. Alright, I'm ready to make the drawer for the baby changing station, and I'm going to put it together with rabbits. Not the little furry kind, but the kind in woodworking. That should be obvious. In order to do so, I'm going to use my fence and my miter gauge. So I need to make sure that this is nice and square with the blade before I start. I'm going to use a trusty square that I know is square. I'm going to put it on the blade and make sure that it's not touching any of the teeth. These are the side pieces, and these are the ones that are going to have the dados in them, but they need to fit these pieces of wood. Ignore that pencil that you smell. So I want it as deep as this is wide. Maybe that makes sense. Set the depth. which isn't real critical at this point. That's about half. I'll go with that. I'm happy with that. Lock that all down. If you don't feel comfortable doing this with it right on the fence, don't do that. I don't mind it. It don't scare me.